Hi, I'm Ed Schaefer, Executive Leadership Coach and founder of Agile Ideation. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: creativity as a tool for leadership resilience. Now, before you dismiss this as a conversation about arts and crafts, let me stop you right there. This is about how creativity can transform the way you recharge, reduce stress, and even enhance your leadership. Leadership is demanding. We're constantly navigating challenges, making decisions, and staying on all the time. But the truth is, you can't lead effectively if you're running on empty. Creativity offers a powerful way to unplug, reset, and show up as your best self. In this video, we'll cover three key aspects of this concept: why creativity is essential for mental and emotional resilience, how to embrace creative outlets without the pressure of perfection, and practical ways to start incorporating creativity into your leadership routine. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to use creativity as your secret weapon for leading with clarity and balance. Let's start with why this matters. Creativity isn't just for artists or writers, it's a mental fitness tool. Research shows that engaging in creative activities can reduce stress, improve problem solving, and increase overall well being. For example, a 2023 study by the Adobe Foundation found that over 60% of people who engaged in creative activities reported reduced stress and anxiety. This is because creativity taps into a flow state, that magical mental space where you're fully immersed in the present moment. Flow isn't just calming, it's restorative. A few years ago, I was working on a particularly challenging project. The deadlines were tight, and I was juggling competing priorities. I felt stuck. One evening, I picked up a sketch pad, not because I'm good at drawing, but because I needed a break. 30 minutes of doodling later, I felt more relaxed, and ideas for the project started coming to me. That's the power of creative flow. Here's the thing: many of us avoid creativity because we think we're not good at it. But creativity isn't about the outcome, it's about the process. When you let go of perfectionism, you allow yourself to enjoy the act of creating. Take baking, for instance. Imagine you try a new recipe and it doesn't turn out exactly as planned. Did you fail? No. You experimented, learned something, and maybe even had some fun along the way. That's what creativity for recharging looks like: messy, imperfect, and freeing. Perfectionism, especially for leaders, can be paralyzing. It creates unnecessary pressure and blocks the very innovation we're seeking. Letting go of that pressure allows us to approach challenges with more flexibility and openness. Take a moment to think. What's one creative activity you've been avoiding because you felt like you weren't good enough? Did you try it this week just for fun? Now that we've covered the why and the mindset, let's get practical. How can you integrate creativity into your routine as a leader? Here are a few ideas. Doodling. You could keep a notebook nearby and sketch while you think. It can be surprisingly calming. Cooking. Maybe experiment with a new recipe and focus on the process, not the result. Micro poetry. Try writing a few lines about your day or surroundings. It can be quick and effective. Upcycled art. Use everyday items to create something new, eco friendly and creative. Soundscaping. Make music with objects around you or explore a simple music app. The key is to pick something that feels enjoyable, not overwhelming. Start small. 5 to 10 minutes of creativity can make a big difference in how you feel and think. One of my coaching clients, a senior executive, started painting miniatures as a weekend hobby. At first, they felt silly doing it, but over time, it became their go to way to decompress. They told me they returned to work on Mondays with a clearer mind and sharper focus. Creativity works. Creativity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for leaders who want to recharge and lead with clarity. By engaging in creative activities, you're not just reducing stress, you're building resilience, enhancing focus, and showing up for your team in a more present and authentic way. So here's my challenge to you: pick one creative activity this week and commit to trying it. Let it be messy, imperfect, and fun. And let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear about your experience. If you're looking for more ways to integrate balance and resilience into your leadership journey, subscribe for more insights or reach out. I'm here to help you thrive as a leader and as a person.